The green ninja!
Oh no. What have I done?
No idea. But you should see what that monster did to my ship.
Oh, you're okay.
Yeah, but as I mentioned, my ship isn't. So anytime you can start building a new one. Wait, have you been crying?
What about everyone else? Are they okay?
I don't know. That's a lot of people, and personally, I only know about 50. Oh, wait. You mean us ninjas? Not sure. I think Cole and Kai were only a few streets over, though.
And let's move.
Seriously? Were you crying?
The cat is in the city! Repeat! The cat is in the city!
The whole city's in trouble. We need to find the others and get to Master Wu.
Sure, but are you okay, Lloyd?
Let's just find the rest. We'll talk later.
Sure you want to find the others, Lloyd?
Wow! How did you just appear out of nowhere like that?
Run from the beast!
Out of my way!
Oh, man. Just look at my jet. Think you can fix it, Lloyd?
Unlikely, but those parts might still be useful. Watch out for those flying clams!
Great! I used to be able to do that.
It's too strong!
Fly kick the flying clams.
It's called the floating butterfly.
Hey, I told you that.
Can't see anything around here. We should search higher up.
Call me a pessimist, but I don't think that piranha mech is gonna let us pass it.
Maybe we should feed it something.
What do piranhas eat?
My jet! My beautiful jet!
I might be able to cut this. So tired of Garmadon!
Hey! That really cut the mustard! Or at least blew it up. A rocket-powered hot dog. Now that's fast food.
Fire it up, Jay!
Open wide!
What was in that hot dog?
Best not.
have to ask, Lloyd.
Here's Cole!
He looks stuck. Let's find a way up to him. This guy looks angry.
Wouldn't you be angry working for Garmadon? Not gonna reach Cole from down here. Hold on, Cole! We're almost there!
Unless we fall and have to start all over again.
Why did you say that?
Just being truthful.
Seriously? How long can you resist using a zip line?
Guys, give me a hand! The canopy's jammed and I can't move!
We'll sort it out, Cole. Just stay there!
Like he has a choice.
A little help, Jake?
Thanks! Is everyone else okay?
I hope so. We haven't found him yet.
I think I saw Kai's jet crash near the ice cream factory.
So let's get moving.
Yes. We should definitely go to the ice cream factory. Come on, Cole! Get that elevator down! We gotta rescue that ice cream! I mean, Kai.
Our ride has arrived.
It's Kai's mech. This is all my fault.
You can blame yourself later. Right now, we gotta survive.
Take cover!
Watch out! Those missiles will destroy anything they hit!
Oh, so like regular missiles. hammer-shaped head!
Yeah!
Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down.
I see Kai!
I see ice cream!
I see stuff to smash with my hammer!
We need something to put the blaze out. Let's look in the ice cream factory and...
No! Don't use the ice cream! It'll melt!
Let's look in the ice cream factory and see if there are any fire extinguishers.
Oh yeah! Cool idea!
Time to hammer!
Water! I was hoping that would be ice cream. Which way should we build the pipe?
Let's try to the right, see what happens. Okay, let's hope left is, right.
Whew! Thanks!
Are you okay, Kai?
Yeah, apart from an oversized cat taking out my mech.
You see Nia and Zane?
I think they were headed for the docks.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's ninja go!
I think... the docks are that way, through the mist.
Kai, we need your skills.
I've totally got this. Hey, someone hit the button, please.
Control the beast! How? I don't know. Give it a fist to eat. You'll do.
The monster's heading the same way we are. It might be a good distraction.
As long as it doesn't eat us.
We'll be okay, as long as we stay as hidden and quiet as,
Ninjas?
Exactly!
Yeah! Bring it on, fish faces!
Guy, I said quiet!
Get back in formation. Stop flapping around.
broken!
The whole city's broken, thanks to Lloyd.
Dude,
You found something! Give it a whiz, Jay!
Target in sight. Descending on target now.
Give up, ninjas. Garmadon's already won.
No, he hasn't. Not while their ninja's still standing.
That won't be for long.
this door's broken too.
Lloyd broke everything.
Get those guys!
Looks like his mech's coolant tank ruptured.
Hi guys. Don't worry about rescuing me. I'm cool. LOL. Because of the ice.
I guess we try melting it.
A giant firework! Oh boy, don't try this at home.
You didn't have to do that. I was happy to chill. LOL.
Okay, now let's find my sister. Mia's mech is over there!
Zane, can you hit that lock in the gate?
Hey, guys! Up here!
We're on our way!
I would have come looking for you, but I only just got out of my mech. What do we do? We're useless without our mechs.
Who would know?
Hate you!
Hello, students.
Master Blue!
You're alive!
You have awakened Meowthra.
Meowthra?
Yes, Meowthra. There's only one hope, one thing that can drive Meowthra away.